Hello, Planning 10 students. This video will show you how to edit content, add content, as well as to embed external content from websites such as VoiceThread, YouTube, and so on. So once you are on your course page, let's go back to Mahara. Click on the link. Drag your mouse to Portfolio and select Collections. Because this is just a sample only, we're just going to be working on the engagement activity. So let's click on Planning 10 ePortfolio. The page that we're going to be working on will have a white background, whereas all the other pages that we're not working on will have a green background. So to add content, let's click on Edit this page. The tab will automatically send you to Edit Content, but before that, let's go to Edit Layout. Now it's up to you on how you want to present your information. On the left-hand side, it'll tell you columns, and then just below there will be samples, and it'll tell you the size of each columns, whether you want equal width or one is larger than the other. But for this purpose, I'm just going to select 3 columns with equal width. Scroll down and click Save. Now that we're back to the Edit Content tab, it might be a good idea for you to explore what these icons do. And if you just hover over them, the name of each icon will just be right below. So we have files to download, folder, image gallery, HTML, image. Now this is a good icon that you'll be using a lot, and maybe embed media. Now this one will be specifically for sound files, MP3 files, and so on. Journals, it is up to you if you want to use this icon for your reflection. Again, you don't have to. General, the icon that you're going to be using the most will be the text box, where you can add notes to your page. This will act similar to a Word document. Profile, you don't need to include. Resume, there is an activity in Units 4 and 5 about creating a resume, so it'll be up to you to either use this icon or just the general text box. External content, now the middle icon is what you're going to be using the most, where it says external media. This is where you get to embed external content such as VoiceThread, Prezi, YouTube, and so on. But let's just try and add a picture. So let's return to Files, Images, and Video. And we're going to be selecting image, but we have to drag this icon down to the preview area. Now remember, I selected 3 equal columns, so it'll be up to you on where you want to place it. But for me, I'm just going to place this on the left-hand side. Block title. Make sure that you give the title an appropriate name. So I'm just going to say My Wordle. I'm going to go down to where it says Upload File. I'm going to browse and look for the picture that I wanted from my library. So I'm going to select Wordle example. Click Upload. There will be the image right here. It's really hard to see. You can see that the file name has been uploaded. So we're going to scroll all the way down and click Save. As you can see, my Wordle is on the page. Again, if you don't like where it is, you can always move it to where you want it to go. Next, I'm just going to add the text box. So let's go to General. Drag the text box icon. Let's put it on the left-hand side. Give it an appropriate title, so I'm just going to say Example. And then this is where you get to type in the content. Once you're done writing your sentence, multi-paragraph, whatever the assignment asks for, click Save. And now for probably the tab that I think will be the most useful will be the external media. block title, I'm going to add Prezi. Now, before I show you the content URL, I want you to show you what sites are you able to embed onto your page. So there's YouTube. Again, if you hover over each icon, the names of the site will be provided. Google Video, Glogster, VoiceThread, Prezi. Now, if you use some sites such as a Jing Video or even Extra Normal, I know that you can add those to a YouTube. So it might be a good idea for you to create a YouTube account and add those files as a YouTube video. But first, let's add a Prezi. So I quickly made a Prezi. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the URL, the name of the website. I'm going to copy the URL, return back to my content URL, and paste it in there. I'm going to click Save, and voila, my Prezi appears. Now, this covers over my text box, so what I can do is that I can move my text box right below it. Let's try adding a YouTube video. So again, we're going to drag that icon down, block title. Again, this is just my example. I'm going to go to my YouTube page, copy the URL, and paste it into the content URL. No need to worry about the width or the height. Click Save, and my video appears. Again, if you need to move some files around, please make sure that you do so. Now, as you can see, I'm having difficulties with showing the correct length or the width of the blocks. So it might be a good idea for you to return to the edit layout and just have it as one column. Again, this is up to you on how you want to show off your information. 2 columns, one larger, might also work. And there it is. And finally, let's do one more site, and that will be a VoiceThread. So we scroll all the way down to the bottom. Go to the site, highlight the URL, add that to the content, and hit Save. So now I have successfully embedded a VoiceThread, Prezi, YouTube video. I added an image, plus a text box. If at any time you have difficulties embedding any content, I strongly encourage you to contact your teacher. He or she will be able to help you. Thank you very much, Planning10, and enjoy having some fun with these tabs. Thank you.